Hey everyone, I am Yas. Welcome back to the day 14 of the 30-day coding challenge in Java programming. In today's we will see about the getters and the setters method. Getters and setters are methods in Java that are used to access and modify the private members of a class. The getters method is used to get the value of a private member and the setter method is used to set the value of a private members. We have the first program. In this program, write a program in Java to declare the private type of integer value a and b and using setters and getter method to provide the public get and set method to access and update the value of a and b private variable in another class. This is the code. Here we declare the private variable. This is the setter method and here we create the getter method. This is the another class. Here we create the object and we call the set method with the object of the d1. Let's run this program. 7 and 8 is output. Let's we take another example. In this program, write a program in Java to get the output of employee details using setter and getter method. This is the code. Here we create another class. We run this program. This is the output of employee details. We take the another example. In this program, we take the input employee details of any two employees and we check which employee's salary is greater. Here we declare the following private variables, that is int employee ID, string type of name and float type of salary. Here we create the setter method, that is public void set. Then we create the getter method like public int get employee ID and we return the getter value, that is employee ID. This is the code. Here we take the inputs from the user. This block check which employee salary is greater. Let's run this program. Enter employee ID name and salary for employee 1. We enter employee ID, employee name and salary. Enter employee ID name and salary for employee 2. Again we enter employee ID name and salary for employee 3. The employee 3 is greater salary. The employee 3 is greater salary Rakesh. This is the output. We move to another program. This program is similar to the previous program. In this program, we take the input student details and their marks. Then we will check which student marks is greater. This is the code. Run this program. Enter roll number, name and marks for student 1. Roll number, name and marks is 90. Enter roll number, name and marks for student 2. The student 1 is greater marks. This is the output. Let's we take the another example. In this program, we take the input of any product name, price and calculate the actual price with the discount and find the which product price is minimum in 3 product. Here we create the private type of variable. This is the setter method and here we create the getter method. Here we create the getter method for finding the actual price of product. Inside the main method, we create 3 objects. This is the code. Let's we run this program. Enter the first product name, price and discount amount. Enter the second product name, price and discount amount. Enter the third product name, price and discount amount. The actual price of product 3 is minimum.